The scissors, Chico. Give you dangerous. Can I have it back, please? Can I have it back? What do you want the scissors? Give it here before you scratch the sofa. Good boy. Gonna give it to me? What if I trade you with this? I give you this, you give me the scissors. Yeah? Good boy. Good boy, Chico, Chico, Chico. You good boy. That's us then. Oh, you robbed me, you took both of them. Good boy, the scissors. You need the scissors for your nappy. That's it. Any toys I give him, you'll play with it for about a few minutes. Find out it's not food, and then probably try his best to destroy it or get rid of it. He just tried to jump on me, but didn't realise the weight of the toy. The scissors, Chico. Give you dangerous. Can I have it back, please? Can I have it back? What do you want the scissors? Give it here before you scratch the sofa. Good boy. Gonna give it to me? What if I trade you with this? I give you this, you give me the scissors. Yeah? Good boy. Good boy, Chico, Chico, Chico. You good boy. That's us then. Oh, you robbed me, you took both of them. Good boy, the scissors. You need the scissors for your nappy. That's it. Any toys I give him, you'll play with it for about a few minutes. Find out it's not food, and then probably try his best to destroy it or get rid of it. He just tried to jump on me, but didn't realise the weight of the toy. Now what toy you got there? Come here then. Let's see if you can use this toy then. Go on, get it to work. There you go. All the toys we get. If you can't destroy it, then you leave it alone. That's it. Can you leave the fish alone, Yusuf? Yusuf, calling him under my son's name then. Can you leave the fish alone? Look, you see the pretty fish there? See the pretty fish? Yeah? Yeah, can you see the pretty fish there, Chico? Yeah? Look, I think this one here is pregnant. Yeah? Chico loves looking at the fishes. So what have you done to your toy now then, Chico? Let's see. Oh, this toy here. You want this toy here? The only time you'll try to take the toy off me is that if I show interest in it, if I show I want it, then you think, oh, it must be important. There you go. What's this? What's his favourite spot? Sitting on the speaker. Come in. Good boy. You finished with it? You finished with your toy? Yeah? Yeah guys, so this is what Chico does. Any new toy you have, very soon he gets bored with it. Don't you, Chico? He loves the fish. He probably wants to eat them. Do you want to eat the fish, Chico? Go. Ah, don't put your hand in the water there. Chico, come here, your nappy's coming off, quick. Get on my leg. Get on my leg, quick. Look at my leg, so I can put your nappy on. Chico, you got monkey. Come on, it's hard to film. Oh, you got your leg up, look. Let's get this nappy in. Good boy. Let's get this nappy in for you. Your diaper. You good boy, you Chico. You mustn't eat the phone. Remember what I told you? Mustn't eat the phone. Mustn't eat the phone. Tell everybody your name, Chico. Can you tell everybody your name? Come on. Say, my name is Chico. Can you hear them guys making all this chirpy noise? Chico? Go on, you're gonna tell the people to subscribe to our channel? He's really cuddling my hand so tight. Let me see if I can film what he does when he massages my bottom of my hand. Chew, 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 chew. You sound like a little bird. Hey, Chico. You sound like a little bird. Let's see if we can get you to fetch. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Come. Look at it. Good boy. Yeah, bring it there. Chico, bring it. Bring it. Chico, bring it. Where's the money? Come on. Ready? Go get it. You are so lazy, Chico. You're lazy.